Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple and updated way to find all the videos that have been shared inside any group on the Telegram app for PC. If you're part of an active group, it can be tricky to scroll through endless conversations just to locate something you've already watched or want to revisit. Thankfully, Telegram makes this much easier with its built-in media organization feature. Let's go step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all your chats and groups. Once the app loads, look to the left panel where all your chats are displayed. From there, find the group where you want to check the videos. It could be a work group, a study group, or just a friends community. Click on that group to open it. Now that the group is open, move to the top of the screen and click on the group's name. What this does is open the group's detailed information panel, where all the settings and shared content are neatly organized. Here you'll see things like members, notifications, and, most importantly, the media section. Inside this media section, you'll notice different categories such as photos, files, links, and music. What we're interested in is videos. Click on the Videos tab. This will instantly filter and show you every single video that has been shared in that group, regardless of how long ago it was posted. You don't need to scroll through endless messages anymore. Everything is lined up and ready to access with just one click. From here, you can watch the videos directly, download them, or simply explore through the collection to find what you need. It's an extremely handy feature, especially in groups where videos are shared daily and content moves quickly in the chat. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find all the shared videos in a Telegram group on the PC version, following the new update. It only takes a few clicks, and it saves so much time compared to manually searching.